Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine at your home. Today we'll see Mathemagic Workbook Standard 5th. In the previous video, we have completed page number 32. We have completed Taste Yourself. Today we'll see Let's Do Homework. Now see, main one in that, first of all read the question. Write the number of angles in the following sentence. Here it's a sentence, it's a given. I love maths. In that you have to find out the angles, okay? How many right angles are there, how many more than a right angles are there, and how many less than a right angles are there. Here it's the symbols are given of angle, okay? See here in I, 4 angles are there, but all the 4s are a right angle, okay? So 1, 2, 3 and 4. In L also right angle is there, so it's a 5 number. In O also 4 right angles are there. Here 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. We give the numbering here, okay? How many right angles are there? In V, no right angles are there. In E, again right angles are there. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here it's number 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. In M, no right angle. A also no right angle. T, right angle is there. See, here it's a 13, so it's a 14, 15. In H also right angle is there. Here 15, so 16, 17, 18 and 19. Here no right angle there. So how many right angles are there? Number of right angles is 19. So in the first one, number of right angles is equal to 19. Now see the second one. Number of angles more than a right angle. More than a right angle. Okay. See here. In I, no more than a. In L also no more. Here also no. Here also no. But see in A. In A, 2 more than a right angles are there. Below side. 1 and 2. So write down here 2. Now see the number 3. Number of angles less than a right angle. Less than a right angle. Here no less than a right angle. And V, see less than a right angle. So give the number 1. Here in M, 3 less than a right angles are there. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So how many less than right angles are there? 9. Okay. See, number of right angle is 19. More than a right angle is a 2 and less than a right angle is a 9. Now see the second question. Main 2. Draw the angles made by the hour end and the minute end in the dial of the clock as instructed and write the time. In the previous exercise also we have seen this type of sums, okay? Already we have done. See, first one. Here it's a right angle. Right angle is given. You have to show the clock. You have to show the hour end and the minute end. So I have shown here hour end on 3 and minute end on 12. Okay. So 3 o'clock. See, if you can able to do the 9 o'clock, then also it's a right angle. 9:30 also right angle. 3:30 also right angle. Okay. See the second one. See, more than a right angle you have to show. So I have shown here 4 o'clock. So hour and you have to show on a 4 and minute and on the 12. So 4 o'clock. Okay. Now see the third one. Less than a right angle you have to show. So I have shown 10 o'clock here. Okay. So hour end is on 10 and minute end is on a 12. 10 o'clock. Time is a 10 o'clock. Angle of 180. 180 if you have to show, then it's a 9:15 time. Okay. 9:15 time. And in this clock, another angle of 180 also form on C. 12:30 or 6 o'clock. Okay. Both the way you can able to do. Here I have shown 9:15. Now see the next page. See the main 3. First of all read the instruction. Write which type of angle is made by the ends of the clock. Here the ends are given. Okay, time is shown. You have to write down right angle, less than a right angle, or more than a right angle. This type of sums also we have done in the previous video. Okay, see the first one. It's a 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock shown which type of angle? It's a less than a right angle. So write down here less than a right angle. See the second one, it's a 4 o'clock. In the previous sums we have seen 4 o'clock shows the more than a right angle. So write down here more than a right angle. Now see the third one, it's a 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock also shows the more than a right angle. So write down here more than a right angle. Now see the fourth one, it's a 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock also shown the more than a right angle. So write down here more than a right angle. Now see the fifth one, 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock exactly shows the right angle. So write down here right angle. See the sixth one, it's a 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock shows the less than a right angle. So write down here less than a right angle. Now see main 4. This in the main 4, if you take proper care and do perfect, then you get the full marks. And if you miss any numbers or angles, then you lost the marks. See the first one. See the angle is given. You have to do with the help of the protractor. See, first of all read the question. Measure the following angles by a protractor and write their measurement. See, this one is the protractor. So how you have to use? See, in the protractor, in the middle, this point is given. So this point you have to put in this, on this point. Okay, so put here and line on the line. See, it's a 30. Okay, exactly on the 30 degree. So your angle measure is a 30 degree. Write down in the box 30 degree. Again you have to put your protractor point on a Y point. See, this way you have to put this line on this line. Exactly it's a 90. So 90 degree. You have to write down here 90 degree. Now see the third one, how you have to put? See here. Here you have to put like this. Okay. This way. See exactly where it's come. It's a 50. Okay, this one 50. So write down here 50 degree. You have to also mention the degree. If you don't mention it, then also you get get the less marks. Okay. Now see this angle. How you have to put? This way you have to put. Okay, or this way also you can able to put. Both the way you can able to put it. See here, line on the line you have to take care of it. Here this line goes on a 130. It's an obtuse angle 130 degree. So 130 degree you have to mention it. It's a degree symbol. Now see the next page. Now see the fifth one. Here also you have to put on the C, the middle. So put in this way, line on the line. See, it's a 30 and 40 के बीच में है. It's a 35. If you see it properly, then it's a 35. Here it's okay. So write down here 35 degree. Now see the sixth one. Here you can able to put it this way. Okay, exactly on a 50. Okay, so write down here 50 degree. Now see the main 5. Draw the angles of the following measurement. Okay, here the measurement are given and you have to draw the angle according to the given measures. Here see, I have don't show the point here because here the space is less. So I have shown here. See, 35 degrees there. So how you have to put it? See here in the line, on the line you have to show it. Here it's a 35. So this way you can able to draw it. Here the space is little bit short, so you have to adjust it. Okay, here it's a 35 degree. Okay, see the 65. So put here on the point. Here it's a 60 and 60, 61, 62, 63, 64 and 65. In the middle 70 and 60 के बीच में it's a 65. So this point you have to join as this point. Okay, this one is the 65 degree. Now 115 degree. See, here you have to show it 115. It's a 110. So and 110 and 120 के बीच में it's a 115. Here it's a 111, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So point it as it and join this point. Here it's a 115 degree. It's a obtuse angle. Okay, this way you have to show your measurement and draw the angles. Here your chapter is completed. We will see the next chapter in the next video. Stay safe, stay healthy. Okay, bye.